I started my look off with a dress that I made, and here I am gluing leaves and moss with my hot glue gun and different branches that I found. And then I went and airbrushed my entire body and covered my tattoos. I am now going in with a stencil and a light adhesive to airbrush gold pigment in a filigree design. And I peeled the stencil off after. The adhesive is very lightweight, so it does not stick or leave residue. I am doing the design in various spots of my body, and I'm using this as a base for what you will see later. Here I am fighting with my airbrush because it is not coming out, and I'm playing with it, poured a little glycerin in. So I decided to go in and do some details with my paintbrush, just refine all of my airbrush stencils, and then I went in with my silicone and created a 3D effect as if the filigree was coming out of my body. I'm creating branches in a vine-like design, and I went over some of the filigree as well to create a 3D effect. And then I went in with a gold pigment to cover my silicone and make it seamless with my filigree airbrush. I went in and touched up with some foundation to clean up any loose pigment and lines. I also went in with a darker color to accentuate the vines. And I added some more stencils to my arms. Some of these did end up getting covered because I added moss and my prosthetics. I am just finishing up my hair, and then I will go in and use a latex adhesive and adhere my prosthetics to my face. I added these around the filigree designs, and I painted them prior to adhering them with a little bit of the gold pigment. I then went in and did a loose brushing of pigment all over my body and added lashes that I had pre-painted with the gold pigment as well. I used lots and lots of gold pigment. Now I'm just going in and refining some of the details. I'm adding some more glue and gold leaf. I'm adhering this in various spots throughout my body, and I am doing some more of the prosthetics as well. I went in and added the prosthetics and moss to my arms and my face, and I used my latex glue as well for this, and here is the finished look. And here's my headpiece. I ended up touching up my headpiece as well. And now I'm trying to get it out. This took days to get off.
Submission for the
Thanks for
2018
watching.
NYX Face Awards.